Hello and welcome back, friends. So, welcome again to CC Vlogs and Reviews, and this is Francis. I know medyo matagal tayo din nakabalik at nakapagbigay ng vlog. So, we're now back, and this time around, we're going to be changing our focus and we'll be reviewing more perfumes. And the reason why we're doing this is because recently I've seen on the Facebook pages na maraming mga Pilipino ang interested in terms of buying perfumes. And, we get to also be part of that hype that we've seen right now in Facebook. And, of course, we'd like to also see what the hype is all about. Just to give you a little background, why we're very much interested into perfumes is because I remember the time that I was still in school, right? And during those times, na mga naalala ko mga perfumes is yung Polo Sport, Clinic Happy, CK1, Cool Water, you know. And it brings back memories. Naalala mo yung scent profile, naalala mo the way that it appealed to you during those times. Kasi nga, when you're in school, alam mo yan, mga bata, pare-parehas yung amoy ng classroom ninyo kasi nga pare-parehas kayo ng pabango. It's because, if one person likes that scent and ginamit sa school, most likely magkakatanungan kayo and ano ba yung pabango mo and tomorrow or the following weeks, pare-pareho na kayo ng amoy ng scents. Alright, so huwag na natin patagalin. Let's go ahead and go into this review. So, back in, I think, December or November, I bought this perfume because I've seen so many people reviewing it and talking about it, and it's a Middle Eastern perfume. It's a very affordable perfume, and I've seen very good reviews about it. So I was kind of interested and wanted to understand bakit nga ba gusto ng mga tao itong pabango to. Alright, so what I'm talking about is, of course, Rasasi Hawas Ice. As you can see, this bottle, 1/4 na lang almost yung laman, and I've been using it as a daily driver, and it's because I really like the scent profile. It's very unique, sweet, and citrusy for me. It's also affordable, as I've said a while ago. So, unfortunately, I threw away the box, so I won't be able to show you the box. It's a simple box, blue box, and when you open it, ang laman lang naman niya is this bottle right here. So, in terms of the presentation, very simple, two-tone yung bottle niya. As you can see, sa bottom, medyo bluish siya. Tapos, as it goes up, clear. And sa ibabaw, of course, you have the cap. It's, I think, made of metal. Yeah, very heavy. And there's a design ng snake sa ibabaw, pero wala siyang ulo ng snake. And there's just a branding on top that says Rasasi. In terms of the atomizer, it's silver. And in terms of the atomizer, when it comes to spraying, as you can see, tama lang naman yung kanya pag-spray. Katamtama yung lumalabas na juice. Good projection in terms of pagbuga ng kanyang atomizer. So, what can I say about the opening? Yung kanyang opening is sweet and then citrusy and medyo bubblegummy. You can smell the sweetness sa air. In terms of projection, when I wore this in the office, I can say siguro mga 6 to 8 feet ang kanyang projection. People can say or has been telling me that they can smell the perfume when I walk around and when I enter the room. So, very good projection. In terms of longevity, I think umaabot siya ng maximum siguro 6 hours, then I have to respray. In terms of silage, again, pag naglalakad ka, they'll be able to smell you. So, it's a very good smelling perfume. In terms of blind buys, would I suggest that you blind buy this? Yes. If you are into sweet and citrusy scents, yes, I'd suggest that you go ahead and do blind buy this. But if you're not sure, of course, you will have to purchase the cans. I suggest that you purchase the cans or go to some of our local stores. It's available naman na, pero sometimes when you go to those stores, medyo nakakaubusan sila. So stocks might vary from store to store. So just check on the availability. You can message some of the stores that you know, like Westworld Souk or Baliwag Shop, Dubai. Dubai Baliwag Shop or something like that. You can check with them if this perfume is still available. Alright, so that's all that I can say about this perfume, Rasasi Hawas Eyes. In terms of, by the way, in terms of the price, it's around 1,800. I think right now it goes to around 2,100 pesos, if I'm not mistaken, sa ating mga Orange app and shops that is available online. So very affordable for a 100 ml bottle. So I think I've been able to say everything that I need to say about Rasasi Hawas Eyes. If you have any suggestions on our next video, please let me know para ma-review natin kung ano yung mga perfumes na gusto nyo bilhin. Especially local brands that's very affordable and local and available right now. So again, thank you so much. This is Francis for CCV Logs and Reviews. See you again soon. Thank you.